Hi everyone, OMG, day one is done. We have completed the Power Up Productivity Day. And those of you who have been following along with all of the live sessions as they have been going live all day long, please note that these will be available for 24 hours and then they will all come down. So it gives you another opportunity throughout the day to go ahead and check those out. Now, for those of you who this is your second or third year with us inside the BSVS Summit, our goal is for you to get the information that you need directly from each one of our handpicked speakers who are successfully using each of these systems that you are now seeing showcased inside this summit to accomplish their goals of strategically scaling their business, saving themselves hours upon hours of time, and ultimately hitting those next income revenue goals. Inside this year's BSVS 2019, we actually are taking on a mission. So for those of you who have decided to upgrade to the All Access Pass, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. It has given us an opportunity to begin funneling some of those funds into the A-Wish Academy, 50% of them as a matter of fact, so that we can begin building out this A-Wish Academy that is going to support those women coming out of domestic violence. So not only do you get to systematize and scale your business, but you also get to help those women coming out of a very difficult situation in their lives. And you get to end the violence in those lives of both women and children for good. So I am super, super stoked about that. Now, tomorrow we will begin bright and early at, again, 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, so definitely be here. I believe if Facebook is not allowing me to go live right now, so assuming that it allows me to go live in the morning, you guys will see me jump on there somewhere around 8:30 as a kickoff to the event, and I'm super, super stoked to see each and every one of you in there and following along and watching all of the live sessions. Make sure, if you have not already done so, that you add Marisa at bizsystemsummit.com to your safe senders list. Several of you have reached out to me today saying you didn't get the email, and chances are those emails have fallen into your spam folder and you need to go fish them out and save them, because you need those emails so you can continue to watch these live sessions as they go live and also learn from our amazing speakers. Guys, I am super, super stoked for day two to happen, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye, everyone.